Hello, welcome to our AI mini course. The goal of this course is to give you a starting point to this new technology, AI, based on the learnings and insights that we gathered while developing AI-based products. For example, Zen AI, which is a GPT-like tool for AI chats, assistants, and workflow automation. And we will post a similar video every week. So just check in and gather some insights and see how we use this new technology. Okay, let's start. What is prompting? Prompting basically means telling AI what you want it to do for you. And you can imagine it being a new colleague that just joined your team, maybe a bit junior. And whenever you give an instruction, you want to make sure that this person or this AI colleague understands you very well. And I will explain this a bit further in a second. So let's imagine our goal is to create a new job description and post this one on our company's website. And we have already a bunch of existing job descriptions on our company's website, and we want to use our AI colleague to do that. So whenever communicating or prompting AI, you should, watch out for some things. The first thing is to give a starting point. Just explain your AI colleague where you are coming from and what's your goal. So provide context like, hey, I have an existing job description here. Please create a new job description based on that one, and instruct very clearly. So instead of saying, please create a new job description, you should rather say, please create a new job description with the following details on salary, responsibility, and so on, and use the sections of the existing job description so that they look the same. So the more specific and clearly you instruct, the better the results will be. And also a final rule is to stay focused. So it's better to generate one artifact at a time. So the job description first and then the LinkedIn post, instead of doing both at the same time. So if you can break down your task into smaller subtasks and let your AI colleague generate this and then that and then that, it's better and often increases the quality instead of mixing tasks up. Okay, and this was the background. Let's go into a practical example and showcase how this can work in Zen AI. We are in our workflow interface here, so you won't see chat today. And what I already just copy pasted here is an existing job description by Finn. Finn is a car subscription e-commerce where you can basically subscribe to cars. And the job descriptions look always the same. They have basically about the job section, your role, why Finn, responsibilities, your profile, and so on. And of course, we want our new job description look similar. And for our new job description, I already gathered bullet points on qualification, key responsibilities, and also salary details. And now I want to create a new job description. So let's say we add a new note here and we say, we want to follow our guidelines here. So explain the starting point. So we basically try to say where we are coming from and what we want. And let's now make this more specific. So this is the new role. It's actually an existing job description by Finn. So if this is something you can do, please apply and help them make this company even more great. Okay, but back to the topic. Let's now connect the existing job description, this one here, and the other details to our prompt that we just have written. So, and the salary. And then let's go. Let's see what happens. Right. As you can see, the sections are pretty much exactly the same about the job, your role, why Finn. Different order, but content-wise correct. And let's now also, basically I also shared the hint that we should stay focused. We can now take this one and say, hey, please create a LinkedIn post for job description. So we can promote this new opening on LinkedIn. And there we have it, Senior FP&A Manager, creating some content for us. And that's it. I hope you found this useful, and see you next week with our next video on our AI mini course. Thank you.